Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the hyaline membrane disease. So here in hyaline membrane disease, it is also known as IRDS. IRDS stands for the Infant Respiratory Distress Syndrome. So there is a surfactant deficiency is an important cause of the IRDS, and it is also known as a hyaline membrane disease. And it develops in infants born before the surfactant is functional. So the infants are born prior to that of the surfactant system being functional. So in IRDS there is a high surface tension. So there is a high surface tension in case of IRDS. In the lungs it relates in IRDS there is a high surface tension in the lungs, and it results in the atelectasis. Then moving on to the fetal life. So in fetal life, the chloride is secreted along with the fluid of the pulmonary by the pulmonary epithelial cells. So in fetal life, the chloride if you see, it is secreted. The chloride is secreted along with the fluid by the pulmonary epithelial cells. And at birth, there is a shift of the sodium reabsorption. So at birth if you see, there is a shift of the sodium reabsorption. So the shift of the sodium reabsorption by these cells, and we have the ENAC, and the fluid is absorbed along the sodium. So at birth there is a shift of the sodium reabsorption by these cells. We have the ENAC, and the fluid is reabsorbed along with the sodium. Next is the prolonged immaturity of the ENAC. So prolonged immaturity of the ENAC. And this contributes to the pulmonary edema in IRS. So this results in the pulmonary edema in case of the IRDS. And there is overproduction and the dysregulation. There is overproduction and the dysregulation of the surfactant proteins. Overproduction and also the dysregulation. So overproduction and dysregulations, this is of the surfactant proteins. And they can lead to the respiratory distress and is a cause of the pulmonary alveolar proteinosis. So in short, we call it as a PAP, pulmonary alveolar proteinosis. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.